guys, so today we're gonna unbox and have a review with this Mi portable electric air compressor. So here's the box. We're gonna unbox it first, then we'll have a review. So I bought this one because it's a necessity for me as a mountain biker, and based on this box it says it's for bikes, for motorcycles, for cars, and for balls. So let's see. It's quite okay already. So right here, so here's the compressor and the manual. Oh, so we have a bag for this thing. It's cool, nice. And here we have the, oh, it's still a micro USB, fortunately. Could have been better if it's already type C. So we have here the press the valve adapter and the pin for balls. So let's look at the item. So here's the air compressor. As you can see, it's pretty handy. It's pretty light. I think I can bring this on the trails. So opening this thing will automatically turn this thing on, and by default it's a Schrader valve, so that's why we have a press the valve adapter right here. I think Schrader is still used, I mean it's a standard for cars and motorcycle tires, but my bike is a press the valve, so we'll try this later on. And we have here, oh, we have a, if you press this thing it will turn on a light, so it can be used also as a flashlight. Cool feature. And oh, the LED light right here is the battery indicator, so if it's 50% and below it will be red, and if it's 51% and above it will be white. So pressing this thing will will toggle the types of tire you're gonna add air. So we have for bike, for motorcycle, for car, and for ball. And this is I think the default, so you can add or reduce PSI. So pressing this will of course release the air. Okay, so later on I will add air on my bike, since yesterday I came from the trails. So if I'm on a descent, I reduce my tires PSI, and later on I will use my bike to go to work, so I'll add some air and add more rolling resistance on my tires. Okay, so here's my bike. So I already have a press the valve adapter, so there's no need to put the adapter on the air compressor. So As you can see, I reduced its air psi, so let's add some air. I've set it at 45 psi, so I'm adding some air. Okay, so we're almost done. It's at 42 psi now. So since I've set this to 45 psi, when it reaches 45, it will stop right there. So I think it's enough. So it's decreasing because the Presto valve here is being pressed. So let's remove it now. So here's my front tire. I've already added some air on it. Same procedure with the rear. So now I can go to work, no problem at all. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.